Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Firmware and PC app versions must match to avoid protocol mismatches. Connect the dashboard via USB or pair over Bluetooth. I recommend wired first because it eliminates radios and simplifies troubleshooting. Once connected, open the app and enable any developer or diagnostics mode on the device so logs appear. Make sure you grant USB permissions or accept pairing prompts immediately, because failing to do so will block the next configuration steps. Now configure the communication layer in the dashboard app. Choose the COM port or Bluetooth SBP that appears when the device is attached. Once selected, set the baud rate and protocol. 115,200 is common for serial, while CAN or UDP requires matching endpoints. Then map each input channel to its telemetry source. This ties RPM, speed, and sensors to display widgets. Once done, run the live telemetry test and watch for stable incoming values, because mapping errors usually show inconsistent or missing readings. Finish by saving your profile and calibrating sensors so readings align with physical values. Lock settings to prevent accidental changes. Restart both dashboard and PC to verify the connection persists after reboot. This confirms settings are applied correctly. If things still fail, start targeted troubleshooting. Swap the USB cable, reinstall device drivers, and verify firmware versions match between hardware and app. If errors continue, capture logs from diagnostics mode to identify whether the issue is driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.